What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Common Sense Garage. In this episode, we're going to be doing a little bit of cleaning in the shop because, we hadn't really got a whole lot accomplished this week for different reasons. Laziness, I don't know, pretty much laziness. So, I need to clean off this table. I need to get the motorcycle frame and everything moved out of the way, and I need to get the engine up on the table so that the beginning of next week I can start tearing into it and we can get everything going on the engine. So stick around, you don't want to miss it. We'll get started right after this. Alright, so I need to get this motorcycle moved out of the way. I need to get all this stuff cleaned up. Places just falling into being a wreck because I have a bad habit of not actually picking up once I'm finished with something. I just end up laying it over wherever I want to lay it, and that's not a good habit to have. So if you have your own shop, make sure you clean it up on a regular basis so that way that you can find tools, you can find everything you need. But let's clean this place up. There it is, guys. Engine up on the table off the floor. Oil's already been drained out of it. This thing's been setting. So I need to try and mock me up something so that I can get it on an engine stand or some way of getting it ready to work on. This ain't it. So I'll get working on that. Hopefully I'll have it done by first next week so that we can get this thing set up on an engine stand or some form of sturdier table to work on. And till then, stay safe. Peace.